Hi, I'm Jenny Trent with the Iowa Waste Reduction Center. In this short video, I will walk you through the requirements to set up a permit by rule composting facility. This is specifically for small composting facilities that receive less than 2 tons of food or yard waste per week from outside sources. As a small composting facility, you are exempt from obtaining a solid waste composting permit as long as you notify the Iowa Department of Natural Resources of your intent with the following requirements: the composting facility's location, a legal description of the facility, the landowner's name, phone, and address, a responsible party's name, phone, and address if different from the landowner's, the annual capacity of the facility, the method of composting to be used, and the source of feedstock and bulking agent. You must also have permanent signage posted at the facility's entrance with the following information: the name of the operation, the operating hours, a list of materials accepted, or a statement that all materials must have prior approval, and the telephone number of a 24-hour contact person. When selecting a location for the composting facility, the following requirements must be met. The site must be 500 feet from any inhabited residence, not including the residence of the owner or operator. It must be outside of wetlands, and the facility is required to be at least 200 feet from public wells or 100 feet from private wells. The compost must be at least 50 feet from property lines, as well as 100 feet from any streams, lakes, or ponds. If the facility is located within the 100-year floodplain, you must gain prior approval from the Iowa DNR. Finally, the composting must be done on an all-weather surface of compacted soil, compacted granular aggregates, asphalt, concrete, or impermeable surface. This is required to allow for accessibility during bad weather and to prevent contamination of surface water or the groundwater. Once the site is operational, the following requirements must be maintained. The annual composting facility report must be submitted to the Iowa DNR by July 31st each year the facility is in operation. The report details the facility's activity from July 1st of the previous year to June 30th of the current year. These records are required to be maintained for a minimum of 3 years. Any and all leachate should be minimized, and water should be prevented from running onto or off of the compost to prevent leachate from leaving the facility. The ponding of water at the facility must be minimized. If there is any ponding of water, it must be corrected within 48 hours. Infectious waste must not be accepted unless approved by the Iowa DNR. Odor, dust, noise, and litter must be minimized to prevent nuisance complaints. Finished compost can be stored for only 18 months unless Iowa DNR grants approval. The sale of finished compost must follow Iowa Code Chapter 200 and be registered by the Iowa Department of Agriculture and Land Stewardship. Plastic, metal, and glass concentrations must be less than 1.5% by dry weight and smaller than 13 millimeters. Thank you. For more information, please visit our website at foodwaste.iwrc.org or give us a call at 319-273-8905.